30 seconds remaining.
Fucking dog shit. Don't ever compare yourself to me, bitch boy. So you just got 2 KD with my dick in your mouth. You're all fucking talk, buddy. And you got fucking 10 kills from Fusion. So we're never gonna compare yourself to me ever again. You're gonna say, I'm sorry, Papa God. I will never be as good as you. Alright, don't ever disrespect me ever again. I don't want to hear shit from your mouth ever fucking again, little boy. You'll never be as good as me. You'll never be equal to me. You'll never be anything. You're fucking dog shit, buddy. So this is equal? So this is equal? Don't ever speak my name again, little boy.